Welcome back in our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a keyframe in CapCut PC. First off, you need to open your CapCut editor, then New Project. Import a video you want to add, but for me, I am going to select a video in the library. After importing the video, drag it to the timeline. Make sure that the video is highlighted. Now look on the upper right part of the screen under Basic. You can see position and size. Now, at the right side of it, click on the diamond part. You have now added a keyframe. In position and size, you can change the scale, position, rotate, and alignment of the video. You can also add a keyframe for blend. Just scroll down a bit. It is under position and size. You can change here the mode and opacity. You can experiment on it to further improve your editing skills. That is all for this video. See you on the next one.